Welcome. Welcome back to another Hump Day Real Estate with Kendell in the DMV. I hope you all had a blessed week thus far. This week, I want to talk about reverse mortgages. Who do you know that may be interested in a reverse mortgage that's 62 plus? Let's talk about it. So once again, I'm Marcellus Kendell of Hump Day Real Estate with Kendell in the DMV, and we're discussing reverse mortgages. And so reverse mortgage is a popular financial option for seniors age 62 and over. And they must own their own home outright or have significant equity. However, with a financial decision, it's crucial to understand the pros and cons of and potential scams and how to use a reverse mortgage calculator to determine if it's right for you. So what is a reverse mortgage? So a reverse mortgage is a loan where the borrower receives payments from the lender based on the value of their home. Unlike traditional mortgages, where you make monthly payments to the lender, with a reverse mortgage, you don't have to make any monthly payments. This can be a great way to access cash for retirement expenses, home improvements, or financial needs. Types of reverse mortgages. There are two main types of reverse mortgages. Home equity conversion mortgage with HECM, the acronym. This is the most common type of reverse mortgage and is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA. Proprietary reverse mortgage, these are offered by private lenders and are not insured by the FHA. They may offer more flexible terms than HECM, but they also come with higher risks. So here's some of the pros of reverse mortgages. Access to cash. You can receive a lump sum payment, monthly payments, or a line of credit. No monthly payments. You don't have to make any monthly payments as long as you live in the home. Tax-free. The proceeds from the reverse mortgage are not taxed as income. Stay in your home. You can continue to live in your home for as long as you want. Tons of reverse mortgages. That grows over time. The interest on the loan accrues over time, so the amount you owe will grow. Reduce inheritance. The amount of equity you have in your home will be reduced, which could impact your heirs. Upfront costs. There are upfront costs associated with getting a reverse mortgage. Limited loan amount. The amount you can borrow is limited to the percentage of the value of your home. Reverse mortgage scams. It's important to be aware of reverse mortgage scams. Here are some red flags to watch out for. High pressure sale taxes. If a lender pressuring you to make a decision quickly, you worry. Unrealistic promises. If a lender promises you that you can keep your home and never have to make any payments, it's too good to be true. Upfront fees. You should not have to pay any upfront fees to get a reverse mortgage. How to use a reverse mortgage calculator. A reverse mortgage calculator can help you estimate how much money you can borrow for reverse mortgage. There are some factors that will affect your loan amount. Age. The older you are, the more you can borrow. Home value. The higher the value of your home, the more you can borrow. Interest rate. The interest rate will affect the amount of interest you accrue. over time. Loan type. The type of loan you choose will affect the amount you can borrow. There are some popular reverse mortgage calculator site. So AARP reverse mortgage, and down in the description, I have this already in there. Uh, AARP reverse mortgage calculator. So if you go in the description, there's a link for the website to get that calculator. Fannie Mae reverse mortgage calculator. You can get that one in the description as well. And Freddie Mac reverse mortgage calculator is down in the description as well. So in conclusion, folks, reverse mortgages can be a valuable financial tool for seniors, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Be sure to do your research, compare rates from different lenders, and avoid scams. Remember, this is just a general overview that I'm providing you on reverse mortgages. Always consult for qualified financial advisor to discuss whether a reverse mortgage is right for you. And so there's going to actually be some additional resources that I'll have linked as well. One is from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. One is also the National Council on Agen. And the other was the Federal Housing Administration website. So, folks, as always, if you have any questions, actually, what's going to happen? I wanted to put this out there tonight, but I just met a wonderful guy that actually he's a lender for doing the reverse mortgages, and maybe he'll come chop me up with what I shared tonight, and maybe come in at me and say, hey, well, you said these things, but this is what this means. And this is how we look at the process, et cetera, given his view on exactly the reverse mortgage process. Because as I talked to him earlier today, he gave me a lot of information that made sense versus some of the situations that I've heard people be in because they did reverse mortgage. The one thing that kind of got me really interested in getting more information about reverse mortgage, because I had quite a few people throughout the years who contacted me in regards to reverse mortgages, who they actually did like I like to say, folks that win the lotto and lottery do. They all take a lump sum. And my question is, think about this, folks. If you're over 62 years of age and you're looking at retirement, et cetera, why would you take a lump sum of money from someone that at some point you have to pay back? The idea, and I know people don't like the annuity part of when they win the lottery. Well, you get 1.8 million, but they only give you 10 grand a month. Folks, you win the lottery, please get to do the annuity, because you know what you're going to do, especially if you're already poor or broke. You're going to be broke after 6 months to a year because you're going to go and spend money like crazy. You're going to fall out. So what is balling out going to do for you if you got lucky and became a millionaire overnight? This just makes no sense. It's the same thing with the seniors. If you get into a financial situation and you're 62 and you're looking at retirement and you want to get relieved from some of your expenses, if you do the reverse mortgage, get the one where they pay you monthly. That's the point of reverse. Think about it. Reverse. Let's reverse this. If I was paying $2,000 out a month, why don't I reverse the situation and the lender pays me $2,000 a month until I go away from here? Shouldn't that make more sense? Folks, it's about being smart about what you need to do, not about trying to go out and be a baller. I hope at 62, 70, you're a little smarter than that. I know you want to help family members, but this reverse mortgage is not about that. This reverse mortgage is helping to put you in a better position financially through your retirement days. Hey, if you need any more information, please reach out. Please share, like this video at some point. If you think the information is decent, subscribe, and please share with your friends and family members. As always, another Hump Day Real Estate with Kendell in the DMV. I'm signing off, and I promise you I'll be back with my guy Neil, who's going to talk more and go very, very in depth on reverse mortgages. Be blessed. Have a blessed one.